Hi everyone. So in this video today, we're starting out with making some DIY napkin rings. So come on with me, guys. All right, so these beautiful cherries, wooden cherries, and the wooden strawberries, I purchased those at Hobby Lobby. The paints, the apple barrel paints, I did get those from Walmart. All right, so let's get the painting out of the way. I'm using like a touch of green, and of course cherries and strawberries are red, so that's what we're doing here. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Dollar Tree Hacks, Napkin Rings, and Napkin Folds Open Collaboration. Who's hosting this? Well, it's myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Crafty Doll, Eventful Living with Kay. Always remember that as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, aren't these turning out absolutely beautiful? I love them. They're so cute. So after this, we have to let them dry, guys, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now, if you go to the Dollar Tree's party section, you're going to see these napkin rings. They come in a pack of 6, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and use that same green that we colored the stems, and we're going to give those silver rings about 2 coats. We're going to let those dry along with everything else. They're pretty much dry all the way, while the strawberries and cherries are pretty much done. The green probably could use a little bit more time, but it's enough that it's workable. So let's go ahead and start hot gluing them. Now you can go ahead and angle these the way you would like. This is the way I chose to angle them. And then, like I said, we're using some hot glue, and we're gonna glue those together, and then leave them sit for those to fully dry before we work with them. Okay, so now once these are all dry, we're gonna move on over to the reveal. Quick and easy project. All right, now I think this came out absolutely gorgeous, and we're gonna head on over to the napkin folds. Come on with me, guys. All right, so in this particular napkin fold, I just grabbed just a portion of the napkin and then use a fork to kind of use it to twist the napkin, and you're going to keep twisting it until you get these results right here. And you want to keep tucking in the bottom of the rose, because the idea is to have like an open rose. And then I just went ahead and just stuck a little piece of greenery, and voila, isn't this gorgeous? I am loving it. Here's the reveal. All right, so I think this came out beautiful. Let's head on over to the next napkin fold. All right, so we're starting out here by folding this napkin corner to corner. Then we're gonna go ahead, and I would say about an inch. We're gonna do inch folds all the way down. Okay, then we're going to fold inward one corner, and then we're going to fold inward the next corner. Now, once you get it folded over this way, you want to make sure that both ends are equally the same amount of shape, and then you want to pinch the center and slide in the napkin ring. This will hold the bow napkin together, and there we go. This was easy, guys. If I can do it, I know you can do it. And it was a gorgeous napkin ring on top of that too. Look at this. Let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, so in this napkin, we're going to go ahead and fold it over once, and then we're going to fold it over again. Okay, just like a square napkin. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bring in the corners, but we're not going to bring them in evenly. We're going to leave some space in between these. See, we fold one, leaving, let's say, maybe a 1/2 inch. Then we're going to go ahead, you should have 4. Then we're going to go ahead and fold the second one, leaving in a 1/2 inch. And we're going to continue this till we get all the 4 folded over. Once we do this, we're going to fold in the sides, and this is going to be amazing. All right, now let's head on over to the reveal. So I think this was a beautiful napkin fold, guys. Now let's move on over to the next one. And this one is so easy. If I can do it, remember this, you can do it. Now with this one, I guess we're gonna fold over close to 2 inches. You just wanna be even by the time you get to the top. And then all you're gonna do is twist and tuck it in both sides of the plate. I absolutely love this one. It was the easiest one out of all of them and the most elegant. So I really enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope that you guys did too. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. And yes, Princess Nala had to pop in toward the end. Doesn't this look absolutely beautiful, guys? Simple, but yet elegant. I can't wait for the next video, guys.